I'm also doing a follow-up on my oil catch can, because every time I do an oil change, I look at my catch can and empty the oil or the nastiness that got caught in it. Well, I took off the catch can, and as you can see, it saved my intake from getting a lot of crud, because here's the inside of the catch can. Look at that. Look at all that nasty crud. Look at all that nasty. Look at all that nasty crud in there. Ugh. That would have all went in my engine, right in the intake, in the turbocharger, and got all over the intake valves. Yep, that's why I'm glad I put the catch can in the Cadillac. Look at all that nasty stuff. And I designed that catch can myself, so there's the follow-up on the catch can. And I'm going to empty it, clean the baffle, reinstall it, do my oil change, and I'm going to show you the oil change and how you do it on a 2018 Cadillac. It's also the same for the beginning of the LTG Cadillac, and probably the same for the other vehicles the 2-liter LTG turbocharged engine is in. So, okay, more to follow. I'm going to clean that catch can, put it all back together, and start the oil change.